Phil from 3DP UK here, and I'm about to build the DeathRacer. Hey, 3DP UK here. Just a quick question from one of the users on the Anycubic Facebook group. So on the Kobra Max, you will find the eccentric nuts on the carriage for the X and the Y on the inside. So as you can see, you have one wheel here, two wheels on the outer side, and you have them on both sides. This one's hidden behind the motor and the extruder, and then you have one just inside here. And let me get in a bit closer for you. So there, what you want to do is make sure that these two wheels here aren't spinning. And what you'll find, let me just undo that for you. So we're going to undo that, and then you'll see that now this wheel is freely moving. And what that will in turn do is will give you a slight knock. Obviously the looser it is, the more severe the knock is. And the whole point of this wheel is to secure the carriage to the frame. So when you're printing, this is secure and there's no wobble. Obviously, as this is moving, it's going to create a wobble. So what you want to do, using the spanner that was supplied in your accessories box, is just tighten it up. So we're going to go back to where I was before I started. Make sure that the wheel's not moving, so there's a slight movement, so just take it a little bit further, only a touch. It doesn't want to be too tight because it will create a little judder itself. Now that wheel's not moving and the carriage isn't moving. There's a slight knock. I mean, to be fair, it's a screw thread, so what your movement is the distance between each teeth. You're expecting a little bit of movement, but you don't want it severe. It sounds like you had it quite severe. You have to locate both them. So like I say, one here, the eccentric nuts are on the inside, using your spanner, and under the carriage you have 6 wheels on each side. The outer wheels are fixed and the inner wheels are eccentric nut wheels. So you have 3 on either side. You want to make sure that they're secure. If it's not, your bed will be wobbling, which can also give you a Z wobble. So hopefully that helps. Check out my YouTube channel and you get some helpful guides there. Alright, hope that helps. Take care. Bye.